Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take B.G.S Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6. Look dear students, here our today's topic is chapter 7 and creative question 1 we are going to discuss today, and this is our lecture number 13, SW number 10. Okay, now please follow the board, all of you. I am going to discuss about our today's topic. Look, in your in this chapter 7 you will get in creative question 1 you will get the question about Ashraf Ali. Okay, Ashraf Ali makes, the question is about, here I did not write the question, listen to me only. Ashraf Ali makes leather bags in his factory. In the first year a small number of his bags was sold in England, but after 3 years a great demand of his products in the European countries is noticed. On the other hand, his wife Jamila sells more than 100 eggs in the market from the farm in the yard. By dint of their joint effort, they are happy in their family. So here you will get such type of question in your book, and now we are going to discuss about its answer. Okay, now I am going to discuss about its answer. Look, the first question is about what percentage of the population of Bangladesh lives in the urban areas. So this question's answer you have to write like this way: about 30% people of the total population of Bangladesh lives in cities. Okay, dear friends, I am going to say this once again. What percentage of the population of Bangladesh lives in the urban areas? So here you can write it like this way: about 30% people of the total population of Bangladesh lives in cities. About 30% people of the total population of Bangladesh lives in cities. Now, this number 2, the second question is about why is Bangladesh called an agricultural country? Its answer is what? Look, like this way you can write this question's answer. A large population of Bangladesh depends on agriculture. Hence, Bangladesh is an agro-based country. Most of the rural people of Bangladesh are farmers. They directly depend on agriculture. On the other hand, the urban people indirectly depend on agriculture. Agricultural sector supplies raw materials besides meeting the domestic demand for food. Hence, Bangladesh is called an agro-based country. So, from these questions answer we have learned why is Bangladesh called an agricultural country. Okay, dear students. Then look, our third question is about what? The question was, the features of which economic sector does Jamila's work have affinity with? Okay, you will get the question from your book. Here I have written the answer only. Look here, Mrs. Jamila's work is relevant to the agriculture sector of the economy. The economy of Bangladesh is divided into a total of 15 main sectors. Agriculture is a major sector among them. In the sector of agriculture, there are the sectors of agriculture and forest. In a broader sense, the resource of fishery is also included in agriculture sector. In the state, Mrs. Jamila sells more than 100 eggs in the market from the farm in the yard. Her work refers to the agriculture sector. Okay, dear students, what we have learned from this discussion? Here we have learned that the economy of Bangladesh is divided into a total of 15 main sectors, and agriculture is a major sector among them. And in the sector of agriculture, there are the sectors of agriculture and forest. In a broader sense, the resource of fishery is also included in agriculture sector. Okay, like this way you have to write the question number third question. Okay, that means question number C, you have to write its answer like this way. Then in your book you will get fourth question. Okay, that means question number D, you will get the question is about whose economic work between Ashraf Ali and Mrs. Jamila is more helpful for economic development. Give reasons for your answer. Here I have written its answer. Look here, dear students. I think the work of Ashraf Ali contributes to the economic development more than his wife. Okay, Ashraf Ali's work is relevant to the industrial sector. He makes leather bags in his factory. After meeting the domestic demand, he exports his goods abroad. Although the raw material of animal skin is collected through the agriculture sector, yet I think industrial sector contributes more than the agriculture sector to the economy. Then look, in our country, leather industry is very important sector. It contributes to the domestic and foreign trade. On the other hand, the agriculture of the country is nature-based. Natural calamities could impact the economy of agriculture sector, whereas the leather industry can't be affected by it. To sum up, we can say that Ashraf Ali's work contribute to the economy of Bangladesh. So here we have learned from about these questions answer what. So what was the question? The question was, whose economic work between Ashraf Ali and Mrs. Jamila is more helpful for economic development? So what we have learned from this discussion? We have learned that Ashraf Ali's work is relevant to the industrial sector. He makes leather bags in his factory. After meeting the domestic demand, he exports his goods abroad, although the raw material of animal skin is collected through agricultural sector. Yet, so you can write here, I think industrial sector contributes more than the agriculture sector to the economy. And in our country, leather industry is very important sector, and it contributes to the domestic and foreign trade. On the other hand, the agriculture of the country is nature-based. Natural calamities could impact the economy of agriculture sector, whereas leather industry cannot be affected by it. To sum up, at last you can write that, to sum up we can say that Ashraf Ali's work contribute to the economy of Bangladesh. So dear students, look what your SW is about. You have to write in your as your SW question number A and B. Creative question number A and B you have to write as your SW. You have to submit on next Saturday. So dear students, I hope you have understood this topic. Keep practicing this at your home. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.